Zavardi Official. Click here to subscribe. Hey guys, this is Zavardi and welcome to my channel if you're new, and a big warm hello to all my subscribers. I love you guys. And in this video, let me share with you this unboxing video on double nozzle air humidifier that is best for home, car, and office. I hope you guys enjoy. Actually, I bought this from Shopee and it cost about 502 pesos plus shipping fee. And it comes with a cute kitty adorable pet design that is perfect for decorating your home space. It is suitable for yoga, home, spa, office, bedroom, baby room, and other rooms. It is so cute and easy to use as long as you get power supply. With super quiet design, the diffuser adapts with ultrasonic technology that runs quietly. It would not be destructive when you sleep. It has a large capacity which can fill a maximum of 3,000 milliliters or 3 liters of pre-mixed water solution and no need to refill from time to time. It has double nozzles mist spray and has ambient lamp with colorful LED light. It has one single power button and a USB power port that is compatible with any device USB port. You can't open the lid cover when USB port is plugged in. You need to remove it first and then open the lid. And I'm using this water-based disinfectant. I already mixed this with water. Its ratio is 1 cup of this solution added to 10 cups of water. Soak the entire cotton swab or stick in water solution and soak for a few minutes. Then put the cotton swab back and lid cover. Then press the button, switch, and then the spray will start. And the cotton stick need to change every 2 to 3 months. If not used for a long time, please take the cotton stick out. You can also use power banks if you run out of electricity. The portable USB humidifier is very easy to operate. One button controls all function. You simply need to press the power button every 1 second to control the mist. Keep pushing power button for 3 seconds to enable the night light function. Another short press, continuous spray mode will appear. short press, alternate spray mode will appear. And it will automatically shut off after 8 hours on intermittent mode. Another short press, intermittent spray mode will appear. And it shut off when the water level is low. Thus, you don't have to worry about the humidifier being damaged in the absence of water. You can use it at night without worrying about safety. And another long press, the light and spray will turn off. This humidifier won't bother you while sleeping, so as the night light could improve your sleeping quality. And it can effectively moisturize dry skin. And that's it. Let's all be safe. Thank you for watching. Hope you'd enjoy this video. If so, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.